Sapa is a scenic town located in the mountainous region of northern Vietnam, known for its breathtaking landscapes and ethnic minority cultures.
Hey guys, this is Kinjan and welcome to the land of rice fields, which is Sapa. Today I'll take you through the unique sleeper bus experience which got us from Hanoi to Sapa, and we'll also see why Sapa is such a special place which is highly recommended by so many people. So come with me as I explore this quaint little town of Sapa. So let's head right into the video now.
We booked the VIP cabin sleeper bus via Sapa Dragon Express store in Hanoi Old Quarter for our 6-hour journey from Hanoi to Sapa. The VIP cabin sleeper buses are designed with private cabins instead of traditional open sleeping berths, providing more privacy and personal space during the journey. The cabins are equipped with basic amenities like pillows, blankets, curtains for privacy, individual reading lights, power outlets for charging electronic devices, Wi-Fi connectivity, and even small personal entertainment screens. Not just that, the beds come with a remote control which converts them into massage beds. Please note that the features and offerings of these buses can vary among different bus companies. The journey from Hanoi to Sapa offers stunning scenic views, especially as you approach Sapa. The road winds through picturesque mountain ranges, terraced rice fields, and quaint villages, allowing passengers to enjoy the natural beauty of the region. Grabs do not operate in Sapa, hence you need to book a car via your hotel or any travel companies in the Sapa center. Before heading to our hotel, we stopped for lunch at Ganesh Indian restaurant. We highly recommend its veg thali, which can also be made in Jain, for a wholesome meal. The thali can be shared by and is sufficient for 2 people. We then checked into Laxsik EcoLodge, and this place made our trip to Sapa completely worthwhile. The staff here are extremely welcoming, always smiling and always ready to help.
So this is the family room which we have booked. This is the living area. We have a bathroom here. That's amazing view. We can sit here all day as long as there is no fog here. It's a very pretty view from Fansipan. So check out the bedrooms now. So this villa has 2 bedrooms. Let's go to the first one here. First bedroom. Again, it has a window which opens up to this beautiful view. And that's the washroom with the bathtub. This is the second bedroom. And even this has a washroom with a bathtub, which is amazing. So this is the fireplace which when we call the reception, they'll come and light this up. So we're going to make use of this as well during our 2-day stay. So let's see, stay with us.
We spent the evening at their property, went for a swim in their pool, enjoying the breathtaking views of the terraced rice fields. The hotel also offered us a complimentary herbal bath at their spa. After a relaxing day, we came back to our villa, got the bonfire lit and enjoyed a ready-to-eat dinner from our balcony. If you are coming to Sapa, I highly recommend this resort. We started day 2 with breakfast at their restaurant. We didn't find any vegetarian options, but the chef was kind enough to treat us with a complimentary Vietnamese coffee instead. Our first stop was Sunworld Fansipan Legend, which is located right across the Sapa center. We bought the tickets from their counter and walked towards the train station, which takes you to the cable car station. train ride was a 10-minute scenic ride and dropped us at the base of the cable car station, where you can witness cultural performances and also explore the gardens. We decided to skip the gardens and take the cable car to avoid the rush. The Fansipan cable car holds records for being one of the longest cable cars in the world, covering a distance of 6.3 kilometers. As the altitude increases, the climate changes drastically from clear skies to completely misty surroundings. The cable car dropped us into a restaurant leading to a photo gallery, where they even showcased a video depicting the making of Sunworld Fansipan legend. There are two routes to reach the summit from here. You can walk for 1 kilometer or you can take the funicular.
So I am at level 2 of the Fansipan summit right now, which is after the cable car. There is one more train which we have to take, but from the cable car station the visibility is barely a few meters, as you can see behind me. It's all very foggy. So let's see how it is at the summit. This is the line for the last train. So far we did not get any rush anywhere, but here it seems that there's a lot of rush.
At the summit of Fansipan, one can experience the exhilaration of reaching the highest peak in Indochina. Since it was quite foggy, we could not get any views, but we made sure to take a photo at the summit where there is a marker indicating the elevation and the significance of the location. After coming back by the cable car, we explored the gardens and took some good photos. Our tour ended by 2 p.m. and post lunch we went to the Heaven's Gate Park, which is around 30 minutes from the Sapa center. Here you can get a glimpse of Bali and Sapa. Heaven's Gate is a favored spot for travelers to capture stunning photographs, especially during sunrise or sunset, when the golden hues of the sky accentuate the beauty of the landscape. There is also a glass bridge not very far from Heaven's Gate, but we gave it a miss since the views were already stunning everywhere else. We decided to spend the evening just chilling and enjoying the vibe of Sapa town. Evenings here are magical with cafes lit up across the street. You will find many locals playing foot badminton or Da Cao, which is the national game of Vietnam. We took a seat at the Skyline Rooftop Cafe and enjoyed the evening with the amazing view of Sapa Lake and Sapa town before heading back to our hotel.
Good morning guys, today is our last morning in this beautiful hill station of Sapa. Today we are heading to Hanoi in a sleeper bus, and after that we have a direct flight to Da Nang. So today is going to be mostly a day of traveling, and before that we'll just explore the resort a bit and take a few good photos and videos of the property, and after that we'll head to the bus station at Sapa Center. So that's going to be the end of our Sapa series. I'll see you in another video from Da Nang, so stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel.